Hello everyone, welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. The kitchen has become more than just a space for cooking, it's a central part of daily life, where style meets function. Whether you're working with a compact space or planning a full renovation, a modern kitchen remodel can completely transform how the space feels and flows. From smart layouts to clean finishes and thoughtful details, today's kitchen trends focus on making the most of every inch while keeping things beautiful and effortless. This video brings together some of the most inspiring ideas that work in any home, for any lifestyle. Modern kitchen remodels often begin with tearing down boundaries, literally. An open-concept kitchen breaks away from closed walls and partitions, blending the kitchen with the dining and living areas. This layout doesn't just look spacious, it feels connected. It encourages better flow of light and air, makes multitasking easier, and turns cooking into a more social experience. Whether you're entertaining guests or keeping an eye on the kids, open layouts bring people together without sacrificing functionality. They create a smooth transition between spaces, making even smaller homes feel expansive and welcoming. Modern cabinetry embraces clean lines and simplicity, and one of the easiest ways to achieve that is by ditching bulky handles. Flat panel doors with smooth, uninterrupted surfaces create a refined, minimal look that instantly modernizes the space. Instead of traditional knobs or pulls, many kitchens now feature touch latch systems or slim edge pulls that blend seamlessly into the cabinetry. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference, visually and functionally. This style works beautifully with matte finishes, soft-touch laminates, natural wood textures, or even high-gloss options for a more contemporary edge. Whether you're going for warm oak tones, soft taupes, or muted charcoal, the handle-free approach keeps the look clean and cohesive. It's perfect for open-plan kitchens where visual flow matters, and it adds a subtle sense of luxury without feeling over-designed. A well-designed kitchen island does more than just fill space, it becomes the true centerpiece of the room. In modern kitchens, islands are increasingly multifunctional, serving as prep stations, dining areas, storage hubs, and even home to built-in sinks or appliances. They bring structure to open layouts while keeping everything within easy reach. To enhance both function and style, consider adding deep drawers, open shelving, or hidden outlets for charging devices. Waterfall countertops create a sleek, continuous look, while bar seating invites casual meals and conversations. Whether you're working with a large layout or a compact design, a thoughtfully designed island can maximize utility without sacrificing style. It's all about creating a central space that adapts to how you live, cook, and connect. In a modern kitchen, storage should work just as hard as you do. Smart storage isn't about having more, it's about making the most of every inch. Instead of cluttered countertops and overstuffed cabinets, today's designs prioritize functionality with hidden features that make everyday tasks easier. Pull-out drawers replace traditional lower cabinets, making it easier to access pots and pans without bending and reaching. Tall pantry units with adjustable shelves and built-in lighting bring visibility and order to your dry goods. Inside drawers, custom organizers keep utensils, spices, and cooking tools neat and within easy reach. Even overlooked areas, like corner cabinets or the toe kick space beneath base units, can be transformed with rotating shelves or hidden drawers. With thoughtful planning, storage becomes seamless, helping your kitchen stay clean, calm, and truly enjoyable to use. Bringing natural materials into the kitchen adds warmth, character, and a sense of balance to modern design. Wood, stone, metal, and textured finishes create a rich, layered look that feels both inviting and grounded. Instead of relying on high-gloss surfaces or overly polished finishes, many modern kitchens are embracing matte textures, raw edges, and organic patterns. Think of warm wood cabinetry paired with a soft veined stone countertop, or a tiled backsplash with a handcrafted finish. Even small touches, like open wooden shelves, brushed metal fixtures, or a textured backsplash, can make a big visual impact. These materials not only elevate the aesthetic, but they also bring a sense of nature indoors, making the kitchen feel more connected to its surroundings. It's a beautiful way to soften sleek lines and create a space that feels lived in, not just styled. Lighting has become one of the most defining features in modern kitchen design, not just for function, but for style. Statement fixtures are a great way to add personality and create a focal point without overwhelming the space. Oversized pendants above an island, a sculptural chandelier over a dining nook, or even a row of minimalist fixtures can completely transform the atmosphere. Layering light is key. Combine ambient ceiling lights with under-cabinet LED strips and accent lighting to highlight textures and features. Brass, matte black, and glass finishes continue to be popular choices, working beautifully with both warm and cool palettes. Statement lighting doesn't have to be bold or flashy, it just needs to reflect your style while elevating the overall feel of the kitchen. Integrated and concealed appliances are changing the way kitchens look and function. Instead of standing out, today's appliances blend into the cabinetry, creating a seamless, uncluttered appearance. From panel-ready refrigerators to built-in dishwashers and hidden range hoods, the focus is on clean lines and visual flow. This approach allows the design to take center stage, especially in open-concept spaces where the kitchen is part of the living area. Even smaller appliances, like microwaves or coffee machines, can be tucked away behind cabinet doors or into specialized niches. The result is a polished, cohesive look where everything has its place, but nothing interrupts the design. It's modern, refined, and incredibly functional. A modern kitchen remodel isn't just about following trends, it's about designing a space that reflects your lifestyle, enhances functionality, and stays visually timeless. Whether it's through minimalist cabinetry, smart storage, or thoughtful materials, the right choices can turn any kitchen into a refined, welcoming centerpiece of the home. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others who love home design, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more expert inspiration and creative design tips every week.